Hi and welcome to Little Bits Honeybee's YouTube channel. I'm the Skinny Bee Man. I know it's been a while since I put a video out. I've just been really busy. It's kind of hard for me to think of things to do, videos to put out. I want to teach you something. Today I'm in my artificially insemination room. I got all my equipment set up here for doing artificial insemination. It's got a pretty good view. You can see out the window right here to the side. I can look at my bee yard. Back here's the 3D printer. But what we're going to talk about today is how I make my starter strips. If you followed this channel very long, you know that's all I use in this yard is starter strips. And people want to know how to make them and what size. I've experimented with half sheets, 2-inch long strips, inch strips, and I found that they do the best with just a 3/4 inch strip. And you just get you 3 or 4 sheets of foundation. I make my own foundation, but you can use bought-in foundation. Let me see here if I get this camera down here just a little bit more. Now just take a piece of 3/4 inch board, lay down beside of it, take a razor blade knife, and it don't have to be perfect. The bees don't care, they just need a place to start. Got a piece of board come out on that one. And I just stack them up there. Now this works the best if you've got cleated tops. If you got slotted tops, you're probably going to have to use an inch long strip, stick them up in there and wax them in so they'll stay. There's 2 strips. You know, starter strips, the bees like it better, and it saves you money. I don't even know what wax foundations cost now, $1.25 a sheet. So that's 2 we've got out of 1 sheet. That's 3. Four. That's 5 strips. Six. Seven strips.
I'm talking to the cat. Oh, sorry.
I think that's 8 strips there. 9. Sometimes you end up with a little wide piece. That don't hurt nothing. So we got 10 strips out of that. Got 10 frames for $1.25 or whatever wax cost. So it's money savings is quite a bit, and the bees just drop better. We've done videos. You can go back and look at them of starter strips versus foundations versus plastic and see that they like it the best. Here in the bee yard now, I'm in a total dearth. There's no flow on whatsoever. So feeding's pretty heavy. You got to watch out for the robin a little bit if you got smaller hives in a big yard. This year, for whatever reason, the mites have been really bad. I guess it's the weather. The last 4 years, even in my non-mite resistant lines, I've had no mites. This year is not the case. The VSH hives and the Chewer hives all doesn't hardly have any mites at all, but the other hives has got a real mite load. So be real careful on your bees. I don't know if it's the weather or what the reason is, but the mites here is really bad this year. And this is just a little video. I thought I'd put it out there to let you know I'm still alive. I'm running about 60 queens a week mated, and it's just, with everything else going on, it's just keeps me humping. But if you like the videos, hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it. Get notified when we put more videos out. I appreciate you guys watching. You know, if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't put this channel out. Sometimes the videos don't seem like much, but it still takes time to sit down and do it and think about what you're going to say. You guys have a great weekend.